Hi guys, for today's video, I am going to share with you how we can make hamburgers at home by using the air fryer. So here is what we need. Of course, we need ground beef, and with that, the seasoning that we need is just salt, ground black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And that's all the ingredients that we need. Once it is well combined, we are going to form the patties, or it depends the size that you preferred of your burger. Once we form it, we are going to add an additional seasoning in it, the barbecue sauce. You don't have to do it if you don't feel having it, but for me, it adds more flavor of your burger. We also need to turn this because we need to put barbecue sauce also in the other side. And also while doing this, don't forget to preheat your air fryer 300 Fahrenheit for at least 4 or 5 minutes. Now that we are done, we're going to put this in our air fryer basket in a single layer. And now we are going to cook this for 370 degrees for at least 6 minutes. And once done, we are going to flip over the burger, and we need to cook this for additional of 4 to 5 minutes or until the beef reaches to 160 degree. And finally, this is our burger looks like. And if you want cheese, you can add it and cook it for 1 more minute. So this is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Any comment or suggestion, comment it down below and I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.